media is abuzz with calls for the arrest of opposition leader Nelson Chamisa following allegations that he failed to provide accountability for a donated bulletproof car valued at US 120,000. Chamisa, who has been a vocal critic of the government, is accused of breaching trust and failing to uphold transparency and accountability standards expected of a public figure. The controversy surrounds the donation of the vehicle, which was allegedly given to Chamisa's former party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, but whose use and management have not been publicly disclosed. Critics are demanding that Chamisa provide a clear explanation for the vehicle's use and prove that it was not used for personal gain. Zimbabwean police have not yet to comment on the matter, but social media users are calling for Chamisa's arrest, citing the need for accountability and transparency in public life. Chamisa's supporters have dismissed the allegations as politically motivated, while others have called for an independent investigation into the matter. The incident has sparked a wider debate about transparency and accountability in Zimbabwean politics, with many calling for greater scrutiny of public figures.